Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer files from your USB pen drive to your laptop. So let's begin our video. First of all, you just need to connect this pen drive on your laptop. So here you can see I just simply connect this pen drive and it's automatically open my pen drive files. So it's automatically not open, you just need to select this PC, and right now here you can see this is your pen drive. So here you can see I just open it, and right now you just need to select the file who is on you actually want to transfer. So I select this on and I just right click on my mouse and select cut or copy, any option you can select. I cut it. Right now you can paste it to your laptop. So I just paste it on my home page. So in this way you can very easily transfer files from your USB pen drive to your laptop. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.